So how do you open up the control panel on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so the control panel is like the place to change, the Wi-Fi settings or whatever. And on the Apple Watch, it's triggered by pressing the side button. It's not the rotating digital crown. And if you have the Apple Watch Ultra, it's also not like this big orange button. It's the small like power button. And whenever you press this, the control center or panel will appear, right? So I can see my Wi-Fi settings, silent mode, focus, flash, and all of the other things. I get to customize it by clicking on the edit button at the bottom, right? So if I want to change the order or perhaps add some toggles there, I have the ability to do so. But as you can see, this is how it works. And of course, I know and I get it why it gets a little bit confusing, because in the older versions of the Apple Watch operating system, we used to just swipe up on the screen to access it, right? It's just like on the older iPhones as well. But right now, when you swipe up like this, you get to the smart stack or like this widget place. So everything kind of changes over time, and that's why I make these videos. So if you want to stay up to date and make sure you don't miss anything, make sure you subscribe so whenever something changes like that, I'll make an updated video about it and you're not going to miss it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.